Good day, guys. It's Christian, also known as Mr. Q. Today, I'll be talking about InvoiceNet, the new invoice program I'll be using and affiliating with, also with my KS Sync media company. This is going to be the most easy invoicing program you have been using ever. Plus, it has a 30 free trial with no uh, hidden costs or anything. Plus, it's only £5 every month, so it's probably one of the cheapest solutions out there. So let's begin. Here is the website. When you get the link from me, you will be signing up for the 30 days free trial. We will be showing you how you will be doing that. Here you have the info, super simple: name, company, phone, mail, password, country, and your currency. Then you're done. As well, when you get logged in, you have the display here. You have everything. You have the summary, the sales with the graph, invoicing status, for if you have any overdues or outstanding invoices, there will be on the list there, as well as the latest activity. Everything you've done will be logged if you created the invoice, credited it, or whatever. Here's the tax status for this year and last year, as well as on the top, when your 30 days free trial is done, you need to add a new card. So you will extend and continue with InvoiceNet. Let's go there, and then that's in the settings. First of all, you also have users. You can add standard users, accountants, and admin users easily through managing users here, add users there, and fill out the info with the role needed for that person. As well as inside the invoice, there will be a standard message you can write in. It's right here in the settings, as well as the due date, invoice number, and next quote number, as well as your payment, where they will pay the money in the invoice. That account information will be shown on the invoice from this section here on the settings. Bank name, bank account name, sort code, branch number, and IBAN if you have those. Here's the tax percentage and the statistics, as well as the subscription that I mentioned before. You need to add the credit card here before the 30 days trial is over. And the your company name info. For me, it's KS Sync, address, etc., mail, phone number, country, and the logo. And then we save. And we also have, under the dashboard, we have the main thing, the invoicing. So here we have a new invoice. There we are going to select a customer. If we don't have a customer selected or in the database, we can make a new one. Is it a person that we are invoicing, or is it a company? And then we fill it out. For now, I have my test customer. Invoice or draft, you're choosing if you're going to invoice now or draft it and invoice later. The invoice date and how many days it's due, as well as the currency for the payment. Here is the heading, and here is the description, as well as a price, a quantity, and a discount. And if you want some text or a blank, more description again, you click these buttons. As well, if you want to preview the invoice before you send it out or anything, you press the preview button and you get a full preview of the PDF invoice. Here you see the invoice info, the refs, the logo from the settings, as well as our info of our company from the settings, and the customer's info on the customer side on the customer. And here's the heading, and here's the description, as well as the price, the discount I put in, and I put in 2 on the quantity. That is why it's 1,500 instead of 2,000. And on the bottom, we have the payment details of the bank I have shown you already in the settings. And if we are happy, we will create invoice. The invoice has been created. Perfect. Now, what do we want to do with the invoice? Do we want to send the customer or the company email with the invoice, or do we want to download it and do it in another way? So it's possible. Moving on, we had the customers here. We have the list of all the customers we have, as well as expenses. For example, if I want to buy a computer, a work computer, I can put this here. I can add an expense, work PC. It costs 10,000, and it is for the office supplies and today. And then we save the expenses, and we are done. As well as I'm now affiliated with InvoiceNet, I'm going to be using it and promoting it. So with my link in the bio of all my socials, you will have access to my affiliate link. Then you can join, get the 30 days free, of course, and then the £5 after that, and no other hidden costs. This was Christian, also known as Mr. Q. Have a really nice day, guys.